Kandi Lenice Burruss-Tucker, known professionally by her mononym Kandi, is an American singer, songwriter, television personality, actress, and businesswoman. Burruss first gained notice in 1992 as a member of the American vocal group Xscape. In 2000, she won a Grammy Award for Best R&B Song for her writing contributions on the TLC hit song, No Scrubs. Burruss currently stars in the Bravo reality television series The Real Housewives of Atlanta since its second season premiere on July 30, 2009. Burruss was born in College Park, Georgia, the daughter of the Reverend Titus Burruss Jr. and Joyce Jones. She had an older brother, Patrick Riley, who died in a car crash at age 22. Burruss attended Tri-Cities High School in East Point, Georgia, graduating in 1994. She first appeared on the BET series Teen Summit at age 15. Prior to joining Xscape, LaTocha Scott had been performing with a group called Precise. While attending Tri-Cities Performing Arts High School in East Point, Georgia, Scott's sister Tamika met Kandi Burruss. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.